Today, we're going to do face yoga basic exercises to lift, tone, and relax your face. For the first move, straighten your brows with sliding your fingers outwards so that vertical wrinkles like frown lines can stretch and unfold while brow muscles are relaxing. Do it for 50 seconds slowly while focusing on the forehead area and breathing deeply. Put your hands over your head, lift the skin up a little, then lift your eyebrows up. Repeat for 50 seconds. Slightly pull your forehead outwards with your fingers, then slide your little fingers to close your eyes and open your eyes as you slide your little fingers back up. 50 seconds. Put your index fingers on the inner corners of your eyes and horizontally slide your fingers to the sides. Don't go too close to the under eye area as this area has a very sensitive skin. Do this for 50 seconds. Pull your lips behind your dentals as you open your mouth. Repeat for 50 seconds. Pull your lips behind your dentals and move your index fingers horizontally on your cheekbones. Don't go too close to the under eye area as this area has a very sensitive skin. Do it for 50 seconds, slowly and gently. Place your index fingers under your cheekbones, stretch the skin under the fingers slightly up, then open and close your mouth. Repeat this for 50 seconds. Place your fingers to the bottom of your neck, lift your chin, then press your tongue towards your palate and release. Repeat the move for 50 seconds. Lift your chin up, close your lips, and push your tongue against your palate. Do this for 50 seconds. Tilt your head backwards, slide your palms upwards through your neck. Do this for 50 seconds while focusing on the double chin area. This was it for today's routine, and see you in next video.